Right, morning folks, welcome back. I'm back. We are just loaded up, the engines are ready to go to the engine strip, so we're off to meet the vet board and do our engine strip for the top freezer, well, for the championship. Got Wrecker Dave with me and yeah, so I thought I'd bring you along for the ride, so away we go. Right, so we've made it to Salva Mini where the engine strip's being done. You guys see the lads and get sorted out. So
451. Yeah, 451 211.
So, we just finished here at the engine strip. Everything's passed, so that's all good. So yeah, officially British and National Points champion, so that's ideal. We're going to get loaded up now and head off home and get ready for some winter rebuilding. So, we'll see you soon. Hello team, it's been a while. If you've just seen the engine strip and that, I'm just back at the yard. First time I've been back at the yard since I was ill. I had what was shingles basically, but called Ramsay-Hunt syndrome, I think they called it, which is where it comes down your face. Had a load of antibiotics and steroids and all sorts of stuff. It's still in a bit of pain with my jaw. It affects your nerves and stuff, and it's not ideal basically. Finally back, doing a bit. Just sat in the truck, come to see if I can find a microphone adapter in the truck, but I can't find one. The truck's passed its MOT, which Milky George, who's raced at Gala Night, took it for MOT for me, did pre-MOT at JBS Commercials. So thanks to them and thanks to Milky of GR Services for taking it for MOT for me when I was laid up and couldn't leave the house. Like, so, you know, I couldn't do it without the sponsors and the people around me, so massive thank you to them, my dad for prepping it and everything else. So massive thank you to everyone who's helped with that. Obviously you've just seen the engine strip, everything passed, so we all everyone's happy with that. So we are definitely national points and British champion, but also massive thank you to Milky and my dad for taking the engines out while I was ill as well. They spent a couple of nights up here and had the shale engine out and had the tarmac engine out after Gala Night. And yeah, really appreciate the fact that they've spent all that time here working for me to get everything done for me, so we could get to the engine strip and get all that sorted. So massive thank you to everyone that's helped while we've been out of action, and hopefully in the next few weeks we can get back up at it and start getting the cars ready for next year. So here's a quick look around what's left of the top. There was definitely more of this car here when I last used it. The shell car's looking a bit like a bench. So yeah, I was just going to say once again, massive thank you to my dad and Milky for all the work they've done, because obviously I couldn't do anything I've been off work 4 weeks with this, you know, with this. So yeah, big thank you to them for all the work they've done getting this stuff done. And I apologise for obviously there being no content, because obviously I haven't been here to film anything, so we've been lacking on the video front for a few weeks now, so hopefully we can start picking that back up now. So future plans at the minute. The shell car, obviously we don't need to start the season, but we're going to try and get them all sort of sign written up and all done, ready for the start. Obviously this car I've been asked to bring it to the awards night, which is on the 11th of January. Obviously, I think they're having Grant's car there, so they want the gold and silver. So the next job with this car at the minute is get it completely rebuilt, ready for then, or at least show ready, which is normally like everything's thrown in it and nothing works, but it's ready to go. So that's sort of the aim at the minute, is to get this car show ready for the awards night in January. We do baby in March, which hopefully will coincide before the start of the season, but if not, I need to get both these cars ready for probably February, so that we're ready to go beforehand. I've got to rebuild both engines, completely rebuild both cars. This one not so much, there's not that much damage on this one, but this one's obviously a little bit second hand at the minute. In the next few weeks I'm going to get the wings painted for this. Mick at MH Auto is going to paint the wings up for me, and then we'll have this car ready to go pretty much. And then the wing, the shale wing, I'm going to take the British shale wing back to Ford Race Wings, and they're going to reskin it for me so that I can paint the outer skin silver. So that's where we're going. Thanks for all coming back and tuning back in. Well, hopefully we'll be more consistent. Well, not more consistent, but we will be back week in, week out with videos as we bring you along on this journey of rebuilding everything for the start of next year. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the messages. Thanks for the messages about obviously our new arrival that's coming. Thank you to all the messages for congratulations for the points and the British and everything else. Really appreciate everyone's support. Obviously the t-shirts are in, so if anyone is waiting for their t-shirt, message us on the team page and I will chase it up if we haven't got it to you yet. So I apologise if we haven't got it to you yet, but they are here and they're done, so just let us know and I'll get it sorted. Yeah, apart from that, here's to the start of another video. That's it for tonight anyway. So we've got most of the car all cut up and ready. I think me and my dad had a bit of discussion earlier, and we're going to change the front spring mounts because this one got damaged and it's bent back slightly, which has changed where the axle is, so that needs straightening. But we're going to basically cut it out and put a new one in, so probably see me making that in a later video. And then we're going to replace all the battery tray down the side and stuff. It's all basically everything that's on the car that's been on there for 5-6 years and needs a little bit of attention. So I'll probably remake this. Shocker mount needs repairing because this was the one that fell over at Bristol. We straightened it and put a piece of angle line down it just to hold it for till the end of the year. And we need to modify this a little bit because we didn't quite get it in the right place. And this panel bracket needs replacing. It's just quite a bit to do, but we'll get it hopefully all up and running, ready for 11th of January. It's 11th of January for the drivers' presentation evening. So yeah, but this is where we've got to now. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, like and subscribe if you haven't already. And keep up to date with our progress through the off season. This is obviously going to take us most of December probably, and then we've got the January project. Also got the truck to do. So busy off season, a lot to do, and we'll keep you up to date with it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.